Okay, I've been wanting to do this video for a while and I just haven't had the opportunity. But if you can see the tailpipes in the background, there's a lot of carbon buildup on there. Some of that's going to come off, some of it won't. And I've been looking for a product for quite some time that would take it off easily without having to use like Mother's polish or something like that. And I came across this polishing soap right here, this P21S, and right here. And this stuff actually works really well, and that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you the difference between using just, say, a wheel cleaner and a wheel woolly on your exhaust, and just this little applicator sponge here with a little bit of water and the wheel soap. I'm sorry, and the polishing soap here. It's very, very easy, and it comes off very, very easily. It's crazy how easy it comes off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the first side, and I'm just going to wash it with the Adams wheel cleaner over there and a wheel woolly. And you'll see the results of it. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, except I'm not going to use the Adams. I'm just going to use the soap after rinsing it off. And that's it. Okay. So we're going to use our Adams wheel cleaner. First thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to spray it off. This doesn't get rid of any loose debris. As you can see, that little bit comes off, but it's on there pretty good. You can't just wash it off. This is the case when we have headers and no cats. So, I'm sorry, it's right here. I'm gonna spray that on there. Then we get our wheel woolly right here. I'm going to spray a little bit on here. Okay. I'm just going to wash it like normal. So now we're going to rinse it off. So you're thinking, oh, that doesn't look too bad. Really? Doesn't look too bad. Let's get a little closer there. Can you see it now? See how bad that looks now? See all the grime around the edges and stuff? They're kind of hard to catch on camera. But they're there, you can see it. Okay? Now, I'm going to clean this exact same one with the soap. They're polishing soap right here. All we're going to do, we're going to open this up. There's a little tray right here. You put the thing in the tray like this. See there's a little bit of water in there? Because you get this wet and you hold it wet. See, right now it's still damp from last time. So I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to take my pressure washer and spray a little bit. So it's actually nice and damp. I just wring it out. I'm going to put this in here a little bit. Kind of twist it around like that. Watch what happens. off. So it's rinsed off. Off the exhaust. I'll look at it. Looks like I waxed it. Nice and clean. So I just had to do a two-step on that one. Watch what happens on the other one. I just go straight ahead for it. Put a little bit on there. And we're just going to clean it. I'm going to start from the outside and go in. Rinse it off. And that's how we use this to clean it. Thanks for watching.